Hey everybody, David Steenkamp here. In this video I'm going to show you how to install the Google XML Sitemaps plugin. So I warn you now, this is probably going to be a bit longer of a video because there's a bit to do because we got to check out Google Analytics a little bit as well. So the first thing we want to do is go to Plugins, Add New. I'm just going to jump straight to it and try and go through as quick as I can because I know I can ramble and I apologize for that. So Google XML Sitemaps is what we're going to search for. Okay, now it's this one here. The plugin author is Arne Brockhold. Over 1 million active installs. It looks like this. Press install now on that one. And then activate plugin. Okay, so there it is here, activated. So what we want to do now is we want to go to Settings and then XML Sitemap. And that's where we can see all the different configurations that are available. Okay, so the first thing that you'll notice on mine is at the very top here where it says your blog is currently blocking search engines. Visit the reading settings to change this. And that's because this isn't a website that I want the general public to know about, considering it's just for this tutorial, and that's pretty much it. Okay, so just from installing it, it's actually already created the sitemap file for us that we're going to need to give to Google Analytics, or rather Google Webmaster Tools, my bad. So that file is right here. So if we actually just click on this, it shows you that it's created these different sitemaps for you. So they'll pretty much mean nothing, if you go and look at them. I don't even know why I'm clicking on these things. You don't even need to. But basically what you need is this portion right here, sitemap.xml. And it's just saving that right in your main directory. So let me show you how you can add that to your Webmaster Tools. So I have it saved here. So it's google.com/webmasters/tools. Okay. Now, if you haven't done this yet, you'll need to add a new property. So it's that big red button on the right-hand side over here, Add a Property. So you can actually add it in different ways. You can add the www version, or you can just add it without the www. So for my case here, because mine's like this whole, got this extra folder in it, I'd have to put just that without the HTTP. And then continue. Okay. And then it's within this this is Google Webmaster Tools here still. You want to click on Sitemaps right here, or it's also under Crawl and then Sitemaps. Okay, and then you want to click this big red button, Add/test sitemap. So see, it's already saying, okay, I know that you're going to want to find it here, but where in here? So if you remember, it was sitemap.xml. So we're going to press, let's press test first, see what happens. Okay, so it says it's finished. View the test result. Okay. Close the test. Number of children in the sitemap index 3. Okay, so this time I'm going to actually add it. Sitemap.xml. Submit. And then press this refresh the page. I know it doesn't seem like you can click on it, but you can. So you won't have anything here yet. It takes usually a few minutes, sometimes an hour or two before it actually processes anything here. But as you work on your site, it will eventually crawl and look for all your pages. So it's definitely a good thing to do. You can track a lot of interesting stuff here. And yeah, I'm not gonna get fully into it, but there is one other thing that I wanted to tell you about this plugin, and that is, let's say once we're done this entire tutorial, once we're done this entire series here, We're going to have a bunch of pages created. We're going to create some posts. We're going to upload a few photos and stuff like that. What you want to do is you want to resubmit your sitemap to Google. So in order to do that, I know it's not very intuitive, but this link right here that says your sitemap or your main sitemap and all sub-sitemaps, when you click on that, that's like saying, hey Google, guess what? I just did a whole bunch of stuff and I want you to know about it. So when we click this link right here, see it says the plugin is notifying the selected search engines about your main sitemap and all sub-sitemaps. That's the one I recommend you click. So it does it to Google and Bing, and it submits all the different versions of sitemaps that it has for you. Okay, so that's done. And oh, I guess, but for me, normally there's another little message that's also not very intuitive, something along the lines of, okay, Google and Bing have been notified, blah, blah, blah. But for me, it didn't work at all because I'm still blocking search engines, so it knows not to actually submit it. So anyways, clicking one of these two links here, that's something, the only other thing to really, really note about this plugin. There's a boatload of different options that you can go through here. I'm not going to go through all of them myself, but please feel free to. It's all pretty self-explanatory. If you do have any questions about anything, let me know, and I can investigate into it a little bit, maybe create another video or two if I have to help explain, what's going on and why. So yeah, I'm just going to leave it there, and that's, I guess I did it a lot shorter than I thought. So that's the Google XML Sitemaps plugin. Yeah, and if you haven't already got Webmaster Tools, definitely go out there, get set up, and get your Google Analytics set up too. Yeah, okay, so on to the next video. Thanks.